More content than ever is being gathered, and more content than ever is being consumed in video. The problem is the monetization model in the middle stayed static for 50 years. So you get very comfortable with that. But what's happened in the past few years is the distribution is fragmented across different screens, but it's also increased. People are consuming more content there. So advertising remained flat and also fractured across those different pieces. So we see a very different ecosystem that's turning out now. So people are going through not only changes in capture, so they're moving to file-based workflows, but in distribution. In the past, you had one path to the consumer, now there's many. I think this industry is moving into an era where it is much more IT-centric. So if you look at all of our products, we've actually built them as a product that works out of the box, because that's required, but also an open platform. So for example, with Prelude and Premiere, we have this great API called the Panel API, where third parties can actually create workflows. So all the hooks are available underneath to pass media and exchange data, but we also provide an interface with a simple HTML5 panel where they can make their technology resident in our software. So people can pick best of class. So we've been driving down this path and trying to make all of our products as open. So you can have a complete Adobe workflow, but we don't do media asset management for broadcasters today. We don't do newsroom systems. We don't do on-air graphic systems. So what we try to do is create a platform where we can exchange with those systems. So Creative Cloud has a lot of attributes. One of the primary ones is it's a vehicle for us to deliver our software to our customers. For video professionals, it also means because they're on a subscription basis, we can update it more regularly. For example, something like Premiere Pro, we had a new version at NAB. We updated with 20 new features in July, and we're showing a whole range of new features here at IBC. So the subscription model allows us to deliver technology to customers when it's ready. So there's the tools themselves. Supporting the tools, we actually have services such as storage. So for simple workflows, you can use it like a Dropbox type collaboration environment. We have other very rich, deep solutions for collaboration, but that's a nice, simple way that people are comfortable with. We also have the ability to create and host websites and also provide analytics on the back end using Business Catalyst. So you say, well, as a professional, why would I want to do that? A lot of freelancers actually want to create a site to showcase their work so that they can point people to, this is work I've done in the past, I can work with you. So even in the video space, the web creation tools are very important. Other areas that are there, we've integrated into the desktop now actually a whole sort of communications feed. So you know what's going on with people that you've invited to view things so you can communicate with them. So those are the services that surround it. So it's not only do you get the products and all the updates, there's all these other pieces that are associated with it as well. And we're just getting started. We want to have more and more online training that's available, because we know that now, even as a video pro, if you subscribe to Creative Cloud, you now have access to all the tools Adobe makes. So you may have been someone who's ignored Illustrator all their life, but you may want to now start diving in and, I can do that, that's great. So that's part of what we think Creative Cloud brings, is that ability to creatively explore, but that has to be coupled with webinars and training materials and all the other bits and pieces you need to elevate your usage of the software. We still need dealers because this industry also has a lot of other things. We'll need computers and all the other gear. So it is a different relationship, but you're absolutely right. In the past, basically when we sold you something, we could almost forget about you until next time we had to sell you something. Now we're in a month-by-month relationship with our customers, so we've shifted the mentality that we have to delight our customers every day. We have to focus on keeping them happy because they can just turn off their subscription at any point in time. So the mentality shifts, and we do have a much more direct relationship. So now we know who the customer is, we deliver technology to them on a regular basis. We operate very closely with our customers. Almost all the features you see in our products are driven out of collaboration with our customers. We hold broadcaster roundtables with thought leaders where we think about a 3-year roadmap. We share our 3-year roadmap with our customers under NDA, and they guide us. So for us, we're 100% focused on content creation software and monetization of the content that's created. That's all Adobe does. Engaging with broadcasters, particularly as they're going through this period of rapid change and moving into file-based workflows, is our bread and butter. And it's been excellent for us. We've had tremendous success over the course of the past 3 years as broadcasters have gone through this change. and that's building on top of our already strong base in independent professional workflows as well as post-production houses.